Time now for a look at your health, and tonight we're talking about flu vaccinations, who should get them, who shouldn't, and a new alternative for people who might be afraid of needles. Here with us now, as he is every Tuesday, it's Dr. Mitchel Goldman from UCSD. Thank you for being here, Dr. G.
Good to be here.
Let's start with the process of elimination. Who should not get the flu vaccine?
Children less than 6 months of age. Virtually everyone else should get it. Now, you shouldn't get vaccinated if you already have a cold or if you're feeling feverish or achy, because you may also have something. But basically, anyone should be able to get a flu vaccine.
I never heard that you could be allergic to it.
You know, it's extremely rare. There are so many excuses people make for not getting the flu vaccine. The most common one is that, oh, when I got the vaccine last year, I got sick. And that just doesn't happen. The flu vaccine does not make anyone sick. But people, you know, can think things and get excuses on why they shouldn't. But the important point is, last year, the flu vaccine killed 70 people in San Diego. So it's real, and it actually causes hospitalizations. And just when people got the flu vaccine, it's been estimated that it saved over 6 million cases of the flu last year. And that's with only 50% of our country actually getting the flu vaccine. So really, there's no reason not to get the vaccine.
Yeah, and again, to be clear, the flu actually led to fatalities, not the vaccine itself. Can you address the new recommendations that we heard just a few weeks ago about the vaccine and it being more effective as a nasal spray for certain ages of children?
Yes, you know, many kids don't like to get the flu vaccine as a needle or a shot. Many adults don't either. And there's now a nasal spray that's been approved by the Center for Disease Control for children. And so there's no reason why a child can't do a little spray up their nose and they get what's called the trivalent vaccine, which is available now, which protects us from 3 different strains of the flu.
And it's primarily more effective for children between the ages of 2 and 8, correct?
Absolutely.
Now, is there another alternative for people who might be afraid of the needle aside from that nasal spray?
There is. There's also a new device that was just approved by the FDA that almost looks like a little plastic gun. So it's not a needle, it uses compressed air to shoot the flu vaccine into the skin. Now, it's been around for almost 50 years, but this new machine just came on the market just a few months ago, just in time for flu season. So if you do have a phobia against getting a shot with a needle, you can get shot with a compressed air gun. It almost feels the same because flu shots really don't hurt very much, but at least you don't have a needle being stuck in you.
Now, is it ever too late in the flu season to actually get the vaccine and for it to be effective?
Not really. You know, you always want to get it early. Now, the flu season starts now. It's usually October is when it starts, usually peaks December, January, February. It's never too early, and flu vaccines are available in all your doctor offices as well as most drugstores. So there's really no reason not to get it, and I would love to see more than 50% of the population getting the vaccine, because you're just going to feel a lot better if you don't have the flu.
Without a doubt. Dr. G, thank you for that timely advice.
Thanks, Kath.
All right, we'll see you next Tuesday.